Hello everyone, this is Teacher Lynn. I miss you all and I'm hoping that all of you are doing good and safe. Please listen carefully and watch the video properly, okay? Get ready, let's start now. Our lesson for today is about fractions. What is a fraction? It is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. Now let's go to reading and writing fractions. The colored part is 1 out of 2 parts. It is read as a half or 1/2. The colored part is 1 out of 4 parts. It is read as a fourth, a quarter, or 1/4. The colored parts are 3 out of 4 parts. It is read as 3/4 or 3/4. You got it? Now let's go to write the fraction that represents the colored parts of each figure and write out how it is read. Number 1. The figure is divided into 8 parts. There are 4 colored parts. What is the fraction? And it is read as 4/8. Number 2. The figure is divided into 6 parts. And there are 3 colored parts. The fraction is, and it is read as 3/6. Number 3. The figure is divided into 4 parts. There are 2 colored parts and the fraction is, and it is read as 2/4. Okay, you understand? Do you know how to read the fractions? Now let's go to equivalent fractions. How to do this one? If each figure is the same size and the colored parts of each figure are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. For example, 1/2, 2/4, and 3/6. As you can see the figures, they have the same sizes. Therefore, 1/2 is an equivalent fractions of 2/4 and 3/6. Now let's go to converting equivalent fractions. How to convert? Note, the given denominator is a multiple of the original denominator. What do you mean by multiple? A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by a cardinal number, not by a fraction. For example, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10. We call 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so forth. Those are multiples of 2. Now, another example. Let's find the equivalent fractions of 1/3 by using the multiples of 3. Okay, now, let's see. We will multiply the denominator of 3 by 2. Of course, we will multiply also the numerator by 2. Both numerator and denominator must multiply to the same number. So the answer is 1 times 2, 2, 3 times 2, 6. The fraction is 2/6. So 2/6 is an equivalent fractions of 1/3. Now let's multiply again 3 by 3. Both numerator and denominator. So 1 times 3 is it equals to 3. And 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 3/9 is an equivalent fraction of 1/3. Now let's multiply by 4, both numerator and denominator. So 1 times 4 equals 4, and 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Therefore, 1/3 is an equivalent fractions of 2/6, 3/9, and 4/12. Do you understand? Let's try this one. Find the correct multiple. So let's find out the missing multiple here. Number 1, 4/5. 4 times is missing number is equals to 16. Now let's remember the table of 4. 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. It means the missing number is 4. So if we multiply the numerator by 4, we're going to multiply also the denominator by 4. So 5 times 4, the answer is 20. So the equivalent fractions of 4/5 is 16 out of 20. Number 2, 2/7. Let's find out that the given equivalent fraction is 12 out of 42. So what is the missing multiple? Let's remember the table of 2. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, and 2 times 6, 12. So the missing number is 6. So let's multiply also 6 to the denominator. So it means 7 times 6 is equals to 42. So we got it now. We get the correct answer. Number 3, 5/8. What is the missing number there? Since 5 times is equals to 15. So let's remember the table of 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. So the missing number is 3. So since we will multiply 3 both numerator and denominator, the answer is 8 times 3 is equals to 24. So 5/8 is an equivalent fractions of 15 out of 24. I'm sorry, teacher Lynn. Okay, you got it now? Do you understand our lesson today? Mr. Bill said, wow, good job. Keep safe and be healthy. Susu from Teacher Lynn. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye-bye and have a nice day.